let's talk about the weekly watch list and stocks that I'm watching for this week as well as for tomorrow. I want to go over, everything, all the stocks that I'm watching, market sentiment for this week, bullish and bearish plays, and then I also, want to take a look at this week's catalysts, and I will also be talking about some crypto plays because on my other video that I released a day ago, I want to talk about some crypto plays which will actually be coins. So I'll add that in right now. So first, I usually start with SPY, QQQ, all the indexes. Taking a look at QQQ, as we saw on Friday, Thursday of last week, pretty much, we were just testing at that level of support. Even taking a look at SPY, we pretty much formed a flag. So right now we are flagging and bull flagging, and the goal right now is that we hold that level of support. So for SPY, that level is 444. For QQQ, that level is going to be 351.48. So as long as if we hold that level of support, we're going to be setting up very, very nicely. Taking a look at the Qs, so the tech ETF, we do have a slight gap right over here. If we actually take a look, we actually don't see it in the 4-hour, but on the daily, we can see we have a slight gap over here. Now, overall, taking a look, we're flagging pretty much, and our price target to break is around 368. Right when we break that level of support for QQQ, we're looking to enter in that area of support back around 390. So as you guys saw, this huge channel that we were forming for almost 2 years, we're looking to enter in, and that will be our price target. And this is going to be the main test. So as you guys know, I alerted triple QQQ shares on Discord. So this will be actually my first sellout position because this is going to be a major level of resistance. Okay, because that was a major level of support. We broke that down. So that is going to be a major level of resistance. So for this week, the next week, my price target, if I'm bullish, is over 386. Now the main important part is that we hold that level of support. Okay, I always want to look at both perspectives because for some reason, if we're red tomorrow, okay, futures are currently red. If we are red tomorrow, puts below 351.48 would be nice to around 345. And the major level of support is going to be 336.86 for QQQ. So as long as if we hold these levels of support, mainly this level of support, 351.48, we're going to be looking good. And, my price target is that. So taking a look at triple QQQ, as you guys know, I alerted shares. So that would be around a very nice 29-30% gain to trim off of. Again, I'm playing mostly shares right now. So that's really it with the indexes. Taking a look at UVXY, which is the fear index, again, been testing that resistance, and this is a bearish market index. Now, my first play, okay, I'm already in Tesla, okay, so as you guys know, on Friday, on all the Discords and Twitter, I also alerted this on Twitter. I grabbed Tesla calls because I thought the risk to reward was very, very nice. My stop loss would be around this area of support. So 909 is going to be the stop loss. So if you actually zoom in on Tesla, we have a volume confirmation. We have a very, very nice base over here. We have a slight ascending triangle. We have a rising support. As you guys can see, we're getting very, very tight. So Monday, Tesla will decide where it will break out. Will it break to the upside, break 942 and go to 1000, which is our around our wick, or will we break this to the downside? So we're going to be having a very, very tight stop loss. I did grab weeklies. So this week expiration, so definitely theta is going to be taking in place. But overall, always watch the setup. That is why I am making these videos over the weekend so that you yourself can study and actually play these plays. Taking a look at, Microsoft, for example, Microsoft kind of just looks like Tesla, the whole market. We tested that level of support. Consolidation, we kind of do have a slight inverse head and shoulder for Microsoft. We do have a gap around 327, so another very, very nice. We're also flagging it nicely over here. So as you guys can see, we have a very, very nice flag over here. The whole market is flagging really tomorrow, and we're going to be really deciding if we break this flag. Next one on my list is banks. Now, as you guys know, I've been talking about this for weeks now. Okay, banks. Okay, we cut XLF at the level of support. Bank of America. Okay, it's really about to go to all-time highs, which was the price target. And again, I've made videos on this on the previous weekly watch list, and overall a very, very nice, incredible play on banks. My next play is Apple. Now, this is slightly kind of like more a bearish setup because this is if the market does drop tomorrow, I'm looking to buy off Apple at 168 because we're setting up for a nice inverse head and shoulder. So this setup actually looks very, very nice. So as you guys can see, if we can, touch down, drop to hit that level of support, that would be a very, very nice buy. And as you guys know, Apple, really follows technical analysis, is one of, a really nice stock. So Apple definitely on my watch list. Again, just set a alert, okay? Just set a alert so that you guys will actually get reminded. Next one is NIO, one of my most hated, not most hated because I did play NIO around $18 like 2 years ago. But taking a look at NIO, with Tesla, if both NIO and Tesla follow each other, we have kind of like a very nice triangle setup over here for NIO. What I would do is I would set a alert for this gap entry to play this gap, because as you guys can see, NIO is setting up very nicely. Now the problem with me is, okay, I was playing contracts, and really theta gets into that effect. So I'm really just looking to play shares right now, or if you guys can do spreads. But that is just something to mind if you're grabbing weeklies. Probably I'm going to grab a month out. But as you guys can see, have a nice stop loss below this level of support. And NIO actually does look like a nice play, which I want to alert in if Tesla and NIO both break out tomorrow. So that is it for NIO. The next one is going to be Coinbase. Now, I'm pretty sure Coinbase is going to gap up. Okay, the reason why is, first of all, we have this very nice symmetrical triangle. Okay, this is the play. We have a very nice symmetrical triangle. We have a gap fill to fill. Another thing, okay, we have is if we actually add in another level of support. So right around over here, as you guys can see, we're looking to fill that gap. The reason we gap down over here is because it broke that major level of support. Okay, I was talking about Coinbase a while ago. I made a whole video. I think that it was on the weekly watch list, where if it does break this level of supports, puts would be great. But I'm looking to play this to the upside because we have a very, very nice gap. Now, if we gap up enough that we actually fill that gap, I'm not gonna play it. So if we gap up enough that we still have room to play, I will be looking to play. Now, the reason crypto and Coinbase is going to gap up is because of my video I made yesterday, 2 days ago actually. So again, Ethereum broke out. We had Bitcoin also breaking out. All of them broke out, and crypto is looking very, very, very bullish. Now, if you guys haven't watched that video, I did make a whole video on crypto, breaking down downtrend, and overall, I did give my full perspective on what I'm looking at. Ethereum price target around 3,500. So that is my thoughts on crypto. So overall, very simple video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys tomorrow at market open. Again, I am in Tesla calls, which I alerted over the weekend. But overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, link in the description for the NFT Discord. Today was the drop, as I made a whole video, and it literally got out of stock in a matter of seconds. So, as you guys can see, all of these got out of stock, which is, very, very nice. And you guys can see, like, this one has a offer for $60. Okay, someone put in an offer for $45 and then a $60 offer. Okay, if you guys buy in at $20, okay, which someone did, okay, they're just holding it, you guys can really make some nice money flipping it. So overall, make sure to join the Discord down below. It's a very, very beginner friendly Discord. You only need $20 to invest in NFTs, and you guys can make 100% gains on NFT. And overall, if you guys do believe in this project, the potential is unlimited, because again, this is a never ending project. We're always going to be growing in. For years, we are going to be posting these NFTs and later adding in utility. So overall, see you guys tomorrow at the market open, and make sure to subscribe with the notifications on and leave a like. Bye bye.